Hi everyone, Nick here from Real English Speaker, an Australian native English teacher, here for you to help you become a more fluent, confident English speaker in everyday life and in your work. So, we're talking about health and medicine and sickness. So, today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 6 idioms to talk about health and fitness. 6 common idioms. And please stay to the end of the video for a quiz on this, a quiz to check your understanding, and some questions where you can practice speaking. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Number 1, to be under the weather, or to feel under the weather. How about this one? Have you heard this idiom? To be under the weather. Oh, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I should go home and rest. What do you think it means? No, it's not about the weather. It's not about the sunshine or the rain. It just means to be feeling unwell. To feel or to be under the weather means to feel unwell, to feel sick, not healthy. So you're under the weather. You're not feeling the best you can feel. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, to be or feel off color. Off color. Oh, I've just been feeling really off color lately. I think I should go to the doctor. Are you okay? You look a bit off color. Someone can look off color or feel off color. So you can probably guess what this means, right? It's similar to be under the weather. It just means to be unwell, to not be feeling healthy. Or maybe you're feeling a bit sick. You can say, I'm feeling off color. Or you're looking off color. You're looking really off color. I think you should go home and rest. Number 3, to have a clean bill of health. A clean bill of health. Here's an example. He was given a clean bill of health after many tests from the doctors. So when the doctors or the specialists give you a clean bill of health, you can guess. It's a positive meaning. It means everything is clear and you are completely healthy. We usually use this one when we talk about going to doctors and specialists to have tests. Maybe you have not been well and you have to get some tests done. You have to get some blood tests to check that everything is okay. You can say you have a clean bill of health. And usually the doctors give you a clean bill of health. She was absolutely relieved to get a clean bill of health from her doctor. Next one, number 4, to be on the mend. On the mend. What do you think this means? Here's an example. I was feeling really unwell last month, but I'm on the mend now. So to be on the mend, it means you are beginning to feel better. You are recovering from your sickness. So the mend means the repair. When something mends, it repairs or it fixes. You fix the problem. You repair the problem. So you can use it to talk about your physical health. You're on the mend. It means you're in the process of recovering and getting better. Are you okay, mate? You were really unwell last week. Yeah, I'm going okay now. I'm on the mend. I'm on the mend. All right, next one. Touch and go. To be touch and go. The footy player was injured really badly in the game. They took him to hospital. It was touch and go. What do you think? So when something is touch and go, it means it's uncertain what will happen. We don't know what the outcome will be. And it's usually related to life and death. It's quite serious. It means that somebody may die or they may just have some very, very bad injury or physical problem. She was taken to the hospital. It was touch and go for a while, but she's okay. So you can use this one to talk about other things such as financial situations or life situations. You know, if you have a problem with money, you can say it was touch and go, but now everything is better. And the last one, to stay in shape or to be in shape. To stay in shape. How do you stay in shape? You look so great. I go to the gym every day to keep in shape or stay in shape. So yeah, you can guess what that means. To stay or maintain a good physical condition, usually related to your body, to your fitness, and good, a good shape of your body, having a good shape of your body. So usually we have to exercise, right, to keep in shape or stay in shape. You can also say someone is in good shape. You're in good shape. You're doing well. You're healthy. It means you're healthy. All right, so there we go. 6 idioms to talk about health and fitness. Here they are again. To be under the weather or to feel under the weather, which means to feel unwell. To be off colour or feel off colour or look off colour, which means also to feel unwell or unhealthy. To have a clean bill of health or be given a clean bill of health, which means to get all clear from the tests from the doctors. To be on the mend, which means recovering or feeling better. Touch and go, to be touch and go, uncertain situation, where it could be a bad situation. To stay in shape or keep in shape or be in shape, to have a good physical condition. Now we have a little short quiz, as we do. So this is the substitution exercise. I'm going to make a normal sentence, a standard kind of sentence, and you have to replace this with the idiom, the best idiom. All right, let's go. Number 1. Oh, you look really unwell. You look pale. Are you okay? You're looking really off color. Great. You're looking really off color. I'm feeling unwell. I'm feeling sick. I think I should go home. I'm feeling under the weather. That's right. I'm feeling under the weather. Next one. How do you keep so fit? You look great. How do you stay in shape? Great. How do you stay in shape? Excellent. The doctors gave them an all clear result. The doctors gave him an all clear result. The doctors gave him a clean bill of health. Great. She was really unwell for a while, but now she's getting better. Now she's on the mend. Great. Now she's on the mend. And the last one. It was an uncertain situation after the car accident. It was touch and go after the car accident. Great. All right, so make a sentence with these idioms. Tell me, how do you keep in shape? How do you stay in shape? When was the last time you felt under the weather? Okay, so try to make a sentence with these idioms and keep watching, keep following my videos. Remember to subscribe to get more videos. And also, you can visit my site, realenglishspeaker.com, to get more free lessons. And don't forget to get your free ebook, How to Speak English with Confidence in 6 Steps. Okay, keep watching for the next video with more adjectives and expressions to talk about health. See you then.